Hello guys. Yeah, again, sorry for the bad screen. I'm gonna try my best. Welcome to Buildable, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a spin top. So you get a shop and you have to buy the car pack for the glitch. And mostly this one is really good, or you can choose for the lowest. A lot. So first things is you wanna get the thing on Anchor, not on Anchor. And then on merch level, the orange. Put a butter block right here. Right here, this is not the wedge. This is the I don't know. Put it in the side right there, so it can stand. You see? And then you might wanna do that. Do it on every side. Do it on every single little side. Man, oh, that was close. That was a close one. Let me just flip it. Okay. Now, again, move it like this. Boom. Once you're done that, you might want to put a block there. Then now what you want to do is take the wedge now, again, is put it on that, yeah. Shove it down like the half of the square, and then keep going. It's easy. It's easy. It's simple and quite easy. We'll have to delete the block for the glitch, because it's actually not how you do it. Sorry guys. Sorry. I didn't saw that. I'm sorry, that's not how you do it. And again, sorry for the bad aiming at the screen. My hands are a bit shaky today. I don't know how. Then on every side, like usual, right? Yeah. It would have been 1,000 times easier to record and build a boat. So we're almost there. Now again, we'll need it, but this time you have to format another correct way. You need these again, and then just get that there. And do it on every side. Yeah, I know. The color screen is not good. It's bad. Yeah, forget about that. Well, I made that one in case if you go way too fast and get in on the water and you die. So now we have that. All you want to do is delete the wood block. And remember, car path springs. Then all you gotta do is just put it inside there. Boom, now you can look. Now a very cute little spin top. It's a very cute little one. Look at how cute that is. It's just so small. I don't know how. But you want to do it how I did it. It's going to get a little harder. So once you've done that, you might want to, again, get the wedges and shove it there. You see? Shove it at that thing. Hey, not now, not now. Not now. Yeah, this is the second tutorial in one video. Again, how to make my version, which is my favorite, which it makes it 1,000 times more tiny. I don't know how it's cute. It's just like, look, it's just small, really small. Darn it. And one more time. Yes, put in there. Boom. And now, look, like at the bottom, it looks like a little spin top, like a little, bottom top. Then all you gotta do now is just save and just put this random chair on your head. It's gonna be hard since I'm recording holding my phone now. But like, if you can comment down below how I can record while playing the game, because I need that help because it's hard. And I know it's gonna be very hard on my video. And then, just look, just put on right here. Then, save it. And just move around. You became a spin top. Well, see you later. Hope this helped you, and sorry for the bad screen.